Number 987. 987 days ago, the war started in Ukraine and everything has been changed in the world. Welcome today in the daily newspaper of Wednesday, November the 6th, 2024. We have here three regular puzzles. Those puzzles are the Three Stars Sudoku, 4-star Sudoku, and the binary. We have also an additional with extra puzzles. Let me show you extra puzzles. 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 stars Sudoku. We have 2 jigsaw Sudokus, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star. In Dutch they call it Cyberblock, in Japanese Suguru. And the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. In these puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve, not now, but in the evening. Now I will solve these 3 regular puzzles. And the first one is the 3 stars Sudoku. This will be number 9540. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 26 printed digits. Usually the 3 stars has 25. This one has 1 digit more. Should be a 2 stars puzzle. 2 stars puzzle. I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. Well, it's indicated by the publisher with the 3 stars. 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes. That's my time limit. Question is it a 2 stars or 3 stars puzzle? We don't know. We will see, so let's get started. 4 missing numbers in this column. 2 of those missing numbers are the 4 and the 3. We have a 4 and a 3 in this big square, so no 4 and a 3 in these 2 boxes. 4 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and 3, 4 and 3. We have 3 in the middle row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, the 4 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this column. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. The 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. So we have 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row. So the row above, the only place level 3 should be there. 2 in this row, 2 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place level 2 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 place level 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in the middle column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. Then let me see. 4, need a 4 here. Alright, how about need 6 there? Come on. Need a 3 there. 2, 3, 8, 4. 4 in this column, 4 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only 2 place left, the 4 should be here or there. We have 4 in this row, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 6 in this row, 6 in the row below, so last row, the only place level 6 should be there. 1, 3, 9. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 1, 3, 9, 1, 3, 9, 1, 3, 9, 1, 3, 9. And look, we have 3 in this column, no 3 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left with 3 in this big square. Should be there. So the 1 and the 9 are left. Alright. 2 missing numbers in this big square for almost 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 is missing, 7 is missing. 6 and the 7, 6 and the 7. We have 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Then, let me see. 1, 7, 6. How about? Let me think. 5 in this column, 5 in the column next, so last column, the only 2 place level 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there, 5 should be here. 7. Need a 3 here. 3 there. 3 here. Well. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 in this big square. Should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1 and 2. 3, 4, 5 is missing. The 6 and the 7 is missing. 7 and 5, 7 and 5. We have 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here and the 5 goes there. Then let me see. 1, 1. Yeah. Come on. 4 in this row, 4 in the last row. So the row between. The only place left for is should be there. 4. 2 missing numbers in this row. For numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6, 4 and the 6. We have a 6 in the second column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 4. I need a 6 here. Alright. 5. Need a 1 here. Need a 9 here. We have a pair, the 5 and the 9 in this row. The 5 and the 9 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only 2 places left for 5 and the 9 goes in those 2 boxes. There's a pair. The other pair in this big square are the numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 1 and 7, 1 and 7. We have 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here and a 1 goes there. 1. 7. Oi. Let me see. Almost finished. 4, 9. I need a 9 here. 9. Well. 2. Need a 2 there. Okay. 2 here. 1 here. Okay. 7 minutes already passed. Alright, 7.5 minutes already passed. Let me continue. 1 box left in this row for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing. 6 in this column, 6 in the last column, so the column between. Only place level 6 should be there. 6 and 8, we have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 8 goes there. Alright, 6 there. 6 in this column, 6 in the second column, and the third column. First column, the only 3 places left for the 6 will be here or there. We have a 6 in the first row, no 6 there. 6 in the third row, no 6 there. The only place left for the 6 over there. And all the 6s are used. I can't see. Digit number 1, number 6. Okay. 1, 9, 2, 3. Yeah. 3 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are 1 is missing, 2 is missing, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 1, 2, 3, 9. 1, 2, 3, 9, 1, 2, 3, 9, 1, 2, 3, 9. And look, we have a 2 and a 3 in this column. So no 2 and a 3 in this box. So the other 2 numbers should be 1 and a 9. That means now we have a pair 1 and a 9. So these 2 boxes should be the 2 and a 3 then. 2 and a 3. We have a 3 in the last column, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 2 goes there. 2. Need a 3 here. Need a 7. 7 and the 1 is missing. No. 7, 1, 9. Come on. How about? Need a 5 here. 5 in the first row, 5 in the third row, so the row between the second row. Only 2 places left for 5 should be here or there. We have 5 in the first column, no 5 there, 5 should be here. 5 in the 9, we have 5 now in the second column, no 5 there, 5 should be here, and the 9 goes and there. We have all the 5s, and all the 5s are used. I can't see. Digit number 2, number 5. Okay. 1-1. Need an 8 here. Need 8 there. 1, 6. Need a 2. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in the third column, no 2 in these 3 boxes. And we have a 2 in this row, no 2 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left on the 2 in this big square. Should be there. 2 in the third row, 2 in the first row. So in the row between the second row, the only 2 places left, 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in the last column, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2 in the last row, 2 in the row above, so in that row. Only 2 places left, 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in the first column, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 7 and 8, 7 and 8, okay. And all the 2's are used. I can't see. Digit number 3, number 2. 7 in the third column, 7 in the first column, so the column between the second column, the only place level 7 should be there. 7 in the first row, 7 in the third row, so the row between the second row, the only place level 7 should be there. 7, 7, okay. 1 box left now in the second row for number 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing here. And we have a pair, the 1 and 8 in the first row, the 1 and 8 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places left for the 1 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 2 numbers left in this big square numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing, 4 and 9, 4 and 9. We have a 9 in the last column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Need a 9 here, okay. 4, 4, 4 in this column, 4 in the last column, 4 in the column next. So in that column, the only place level 4 should be there. 1 and 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6. 7 is missing, 1 and 7, 1 and 7. We have a 7 in the last column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1 and 8, we have 1 in the last column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 8 goes there. 1, 1, 1 and a 9. Okay, 2 numbers left in this column for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, 8 is missing, 7, 8, 7, 8. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and 8 goes there. 1 box left now in the first row for number. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. 3 in the third column, 3 in the second column, so the first column only 2 places level 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in this row, no 3 there, 3 should be here. Then 4 and 9, 4 and 9. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3. 4 is missing, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing, 4 and 9, 4 and 9. We have a 4 in the first column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 9 goes there. 9 in this column, 9 in the second column, so the third column, the only place level 9 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. 1 is missing, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing, 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have 8 in this row, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1 and 9, we have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 9 goes there. 1 and a 9, we have a 1 here, so this can be 1 anymore. This should be 8, 9. So 1 box left in this big square for number 1. Finished in 14 minutes. Well, we solved again. Let me give this a 1 star. I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it all solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the other 2 regular puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.